Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see together how to turn off the safe mode on Android, so let's jump right into it. Now in some phones you can find a button that does that turns it off in the notification panel. You'll have to swipe down from the top, and then in this list of buttons and features you might find the button there. If you cannot find it in your phone, you can simply go ahead and turn it off. Now it is important to know that you do not reboot it, but you have to turn it off completely and then turn it on again. If you turn it on again and the safe mode is still enabled, you'll have to check your volume buttons and make sure that they're not stuck or anything like that. There might be a problem with them. So check them out before turning off your phone again. Now if they're okay and you turn off your phone again and you turn it on, and the problem is still there, the problem is probably a ROG app. So go ahead and check your latest apps and delete any app that you do not recognize, and that should probably solve your problem. If that doesn't, the last solution is to factory reset your phone, and that will probably and mostly solve your problem. Now if this video was helpful, please like and comment down below and subscribe for future videos like this one. See you in the next one.